Ay, layo kasi ko, uy.
Ganda siya, girl. Oh!
Small island. Ay, ganda dito. Very nice hair, Sunil, right?
What this one, girl? We can go here in day of the garden to this one. Dito lang tayo sa malamig na.
Oo, pag malamig na. Ganda, oh. Diyan, oh. Opo.
Awan Private. What the exact location today? This one? This airport?
Yeah, this one is airport. Ay, airport.
We have bus, no? We can go by bus, girl.
Ay, oo. By bus.
You know, Saturday we go eating in the Ganya, no? Me and Ate Mo. We go, you know? And then they tell to me, Maricel, better you get the number of the people. We back now in the
Stare at this walls before they may
bus. We're running and
Yeah, go by bus.
They enjoy because we go ride for that bus. And then I go again in the front. I asking Kuya, this one going terminal? Yeah, because I'm thinking go sa town. Yeah. Then after we this is the now you're calling. We are now in the
Hindi na mag-transport, 1.5 transport.